Most of the world, the word miracle brings to the mind images of the marvelous phenomena. But in India, it is just another daily trend. The Veerbhadra Swami temple in India is a very mysterious place. But in the 16th century, the Veerbhadra Swami temple in Lepakshi is perched on a hillock called the Kurma Sela, tortoise-shaped rock. It is culturally and historically significant for India. This ancient temple has inscriptions on every pillar and masterfully crafted roofs. The most astonishing architectural marvel of Lipakshi is the hanging pillar of Veerbhadra temple. The hanging pillar in Lipakshi is a medieval architectural wonder to witness. The small villages you were most likely to neglect has so much hidden in its treasure chest, you will be shocked and amazed. The pillar does not rest on the ground completely but hangs in the air, with enough space between its base and the ground. In this temple, you can see many people doing the same thing. Put a piece of cloth underneath and slide it around the other side, proving that the pillar is disconnected from the floor. This is considered one of the wonders of India, but the question arises, how did ancient people construct a huge pillar that defies gravity and is hanging in mid-air? This is what actually happens. One can slide a piece of cloth huge on one end but cannot pull it out from the other end. That proves the pillar is not completely disconnected from the ground. The pillar is not really hanging in the mid-air because one of its corners is clearly resting on the floor, which is how it still stands. The pillar does not employ anti-gravity or levitation. So did the ancient people create an imperfect pillar? Well, it turns out that a British engineer Hamilton tried to rectify the architectural aberration in 1910. Though he managed to make one corner of the pillar to touch the ground, it led to a tetraphonic shift in the roof of its outer hall with distortion in roof alignment and pillars now leaning on and the roof paintings distorted. The engineer realized that any further attempt could instantly ruin this entire edifice. Further research revealed that the pillar acted as blast to the hall's roof, hence a minor change could ruin the balance and cause irreparable damage to the structure. This was the mystery behind